On February 2nd, the FDA officially replaced the QSR with the QMSR. If you manufacture medical devices or work with partners who do, here's what that actually means. Under the old QSR, FDA evaluated your quality system procedure by procedure. Under QMSR, the focus shifts to how your system works as a whole, aligned with ISO 13485. Risk management, management responsibility, and system effectiveness move to the foreground. For companies navigating both FDA and ISO audits, this eliminates years of redundant compliance work. But here's what didn't change. FDA inspections aren't going away. Design controls, CAPA, complaint handling, supplier oversight, all still required. And ISO certification does not replace FDA compliance. The requirements are the same. What changed is how they're evaluated. For OEMs, this shift changes how you should evaluate contract manufacturers. Under QMSR, auditors aren't just checking that documentation exists. They're evaluating whether your partner's system holds together under explanation. Can they trace a testing decision back to risk management? Can they show why a choice was made, not just that a procedure was followed? That coherence is what separates a quality system from a paper trail. Is your quality system and your partners built for this level of scrutiny? Talk to our team.